Okay, our latest trick on finding limits is dividing by the biggest degree that we can find. So, in A, it's going to be divide every single term, top and bottom, by x to the second power. Same thing here, because x to the second. Here, my biggest term would be x to the third, so I divide everything by that. Okay, so you can see the results. When I divide 2x by x squared, I still have an x left on the bottom and an x squared left on the bottom when I divide 3 because nothing cancels. The bottom, the 3 survives with no x's. The x's don't survive. And here again, x is left on the bottom. Here's the thing. If x's are left on the bottom and x is going to infinity, picture yourself left to defend a fort, and the first wave of the enemy comes and hits you, and you manage to hold them off. And then the next wave comes, and you don't do quite as well, but you still hold them off. Well, with infinity, this just goes on forever, and eventually you get tired and you need to sleep and you lose. So if there's infinity on the bottom, you have 0. Okay, I don't care how tough your 2 is. I don't care how tough your 3 is. I don't care how tough your 1 is. They're going to lose, and they're going to be 0. Okay, so in this situation, then I get 0 over 3. Okay, fine. 0 over 3, still 0. Okay, so I get 0. Here, well, let's go to B. Here, a 2 and a 3 managed to survive. And, of course, the rest of these guys, no, not going to survive that. Not going to survive being divided by infinity. So the guys who survive, that's what my limit equals, negative 2 over 3. So here, in this case, you conclude that the limit does not exist because the numerator decreases without bound as the denominator approaches 3. Where is that coming from? Anyway, why would they say, does this go with this picture? It doesn't seem like it would. Seems like we just have a repeat of the first one. But, am I wrong on that? Doesn't seem like it. Seems like it'd just be 0. But anyway, we will go ahead and do 19 here, and you can see that the highest degree is x squared, and so we're going to say divide 4x squared by x squared, I get 4, and divide 3 by x squared, and I get 3 divided by x squared, and I have 2 divided by x squared, minus x squared divided by x squared, so in other words 1. Should I just write 1? I think I'll just write 1. Okay, so the fractions don't survive, the little ones. And I have 4 over negative 1. In other words, negative 4. So my limit is negative 4. And I will provide a graph to show that it does exist, and it is negative 4. As it goes to negative infinity. Okay, negative infinity. And still going to work out the same. So